Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson, the necklace. In our previous session, we came to know that after losing the necklace, Matilda and her husband waited for 1 week with the hope that they might get back their necklace. But they did not get that. So they decided to replace the necklace with the new one. They did not have enough money to buy the new necklace, so they borrowed money from moneylenders. After that, they purchased a new necklace and Matilda returned that necklace to Madame Forrester. After that, there was complete change in the lifestyle of Matilda and her husband. But Matilda faced all those things bravely in a heroic manner. They sent away their maid, they changed their lodging residence, they rented some rooms in an attic. Now let's continue the lesson. She learned the odious work of kitchen. She washed the dishes. She washed the soiled linen, their clothes and disclothes, which she hung on the line to dry. She took down the refuse to the street each morning and brought up the water, stopping at each landing to catch her breath. She learned odious work of kitchen. Odious means foul, dirty or unclean. Earlier, maid used to do work in the kitchen, but now she herself started to do those works. Okay. She learned the odious work of a kitchen. She washed the dishes. She washed the soiled linen. Okay. She washed means dirty linen. Linen means cloth, a kind of cloth. Their clothes and dish clothes. She was washing their clothes and dish clothes. Dish clothes means clothes used to wash dishes, which she hung on the line to dry. After washing them, she used to hang them on the line to dry. She took down the refuse to the street each morning. She used to take down the refuse. Refuse means garbages, waste things, to the street each morning and brought up the water. She was bringing water, stopping at each landing to catch her breath. She used to stop at each landing in order to take breathe properly. Here landing means level part of staircase. After climbing some steps, there will be a level place, that is called what? Landing. Okay, she used to stop there in order to take breathe properly. And clothed like a woman of people, she started to wear clothes like a common woman. She went to the grocers. She used to go to grocers in order to buy groceries, the butchers in order to buy meat, and the fruiterers in order to buy fruits. She used to go to fruit shops with her basket on her arm, carrying a basket. She used to go there shopping, haggling to the last sou of her miserable money. She was going to shopping and haggling. Haggle means to argue for a better deal, especially over prices with seller. Okay, argument in order to reduce the price of things. She used to make such arguments with grocers, fruiterers, and butchers. Haggling to the last sou of her miserable money. In this way, she was trying to save the last sou of her miserable money, the money which was earned by difficulty. Okay. Sou means here an old French copper coin. Okay. Old French copper coin. So she was making argument in order to reduce the price of things. In that way, she wanted to save her money. The husband worked evenings, putting the books of some merchants in order, and nights he often did copying at 5 sou a page. Her husband worked in the evenings. Morning he was working in the office of education department, and in the evening also he was working, putting the books of some merchants in order. He was putting the books of some merchants in order, means he was maintaining that account in that book. And nights he often did copying at 5 sous a page. He was writing those accounts in another page. He was copying them, and he was getting 5 sous for a page. And this life lasted for 10 years. In this way, they led their life for 10 years. At the end of 10 years, they had restored all. Okay, in this way, they led their life for 10 years, and after 10 years, they had restored all. Restored means returned to former condition. They paid back their debt. They came back to their former condition, earlier condition. Now they don't have any loan. Madame Lysel seemed old now. She had become a strong, hard woman, the crude woman of poor household. Her hair badly dressed, her skirts awry, her hands red. She spoke in loud tone and washed the floors with large pails of water. But this hard life of 10 years brought many changes in Madame Lysel. Madame Lysel seemed very old now. She had become a strong and hard woman. Earlier she was pretty and sensitive woman. Now she became what? Hard and strong woman. The crude woman of poor household. She became crude. Crude means rough woman of poor household. She was looking after household works. Her hair badly dressed. She was not combing hair properly. Her skirt awry. Her skirt was awry. Awry means out of normal or correct position. Okay. Out of normal or correct position. Her hands red. Her hands turned into red color. She spoke in loud tone. Earlier she was speaking in a smooth voice. Now her tone became loud. And washed the floors with large pails of water. And she was washing the floors with large pails. Pails means buckets of water. But sometimes when her husband was at office, she would seat herself before the window and think of that evening party of former times. But sometimes when her husband was in the office, she would sit herself before the window and think of that evening. Which evening? Evening party, the day on which party was conducted. Okay. That evening party of former times. Of that ball where she was so beautiful and so flattered, and she was recalling that ball dancing party where she was so beautiful and so flattered, so much prized by others. How would it have been if she had not lost the necklace? Who knows? How singular is life and how full of changes. How small a thing will ruin or save one. And she used to think all these things. How would it, how would it have been if she had not lost the necklace? If she had not lost the necklace, how would have been her life? She was thinking about that. Who knows? How singular is life? She used to think, how singular is life? How strange this life, and how unusual is this life? And how full of changes? How full of changes? How her life is changed? How small thing will ruin or save one? And she was thinking how a small thing can save or ruin one's life. She was thinking of all those things while she was sitting beside the window when her husband was at the office. Okay. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.